Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is Gab from Tech Tips for Business. For today's video, we are going to be talking about the Roundup function in Microsoft Excel. Let's get started. First, we would need digits that contains decimal places or even whole numbers depending on what we need. So for this item, we have column A and column B, and another column where we divide A by B. So, to get the rounded up value for these numbers, we should be typing the roundup function by pressing equal sign on the empty cell right next to the value that we want to get the rounded value of, and type round up. Right after typing the function, we should enter the open parentheses to start entering our terms. For the first term, we need to enter number. This indicates the number that we want to round up within our Excel spreadsheet. Let's click the cell right beside our empty cell. Next, by using a comma, we get to proceed to enter the second term, which is the number of digits. This indicates which decimal place or which value should we round up the data from. By entering 0, we make sure that we are gonna round up the whole number in the ones place. And once we click enter, we should be getting a value of 3. Let's try dragging the function down towards the very last value by dragging the green box on the lower right corner of our cell. And there we go. As you can see, by entering the roundup function, we got a result of 3 for 2.8, 13 for 12.625, and 63 from 62.85714. If ever we want to get the rounded up version of the tens place, if ever we want to round up 12 to 20 or 62 to 70, we can use -1 as the number of digits. This is because the further you go up towards the digits for the whole number, you need to increase the value of the negative number of digits. By doing so, you get 20 from 12 and 70 from 62. And if ever you want to go down to the decimals, you need to enter positive values. By entering 2, I got 2 decimal places rounded up in the 12.625 cell, and by using the 3 number of digits, I got 3 decimal places for the 62.85714 cell. And there we go. This is how we use the roundup function in Microsoft Excel.